What's going on, everybody? So I'm sure you've seen the new videos about me that the scammer is making, but I wanted to share some results with y'all, and I'll post that video right after this clip. So my question is, if Everything Credit LLC, which is my company owned by David Allen Payne Jr., if we are a scam, how are we able to get so many results for our clients, but the scammer never shows any results? Maybe somebody in the comments can explain how that works. His obsession for me is, it's kind of sickening. Now, have I made mistakes? Of course I have. Of course I have. We've all made mistakes. I've never, not one, denied any mistakes that I have made, and I never will. I'm not that type of person. But trying to ruin my company and ruin my name with non-facts, you can't get mad at me for proving you wrong on so many things that you have posted that are lies, trying to trick consumers into thinking you are this credit repair god. Well, if you're God, you show no results, what does that make me? Because I show results damn near every day. There's no scamming going on over here. We don't hide anything from our clients. Our agreements are legit, not just some copy and paste. Matter of fact, I just spent $3,000 on a new agreement for my clients, so I am compliant with the state of Texas. We work with attorneys in all 50 states. How about you, Mr. Vietnam? Anyway, y'all know I like to keep my videos short, so I'm going to end it with a video of some results that we got this morning. So while the scammers out there spreading lies about me and my company, I'm busy getting results for my clients. 68-point increase on Equifax, 69-point increase on Experian, 25-point increase on TransUnion. Sorry, the other one was Experian. 16 items deleted. Experian was showing some love this round. Capital One, Discover, First Premier, IQ Data for $5,664. T-Bomb, Fingerhut. So yeah. While the scammer wants everybody to think I'm a scammer, I'm posting results like this, real results from real people, from my actual clients.